what's up? We're Ultraviolet Sound.
You're coming with us to the Long Beach Flea Market today.
Let's go check it out.
Look, we're at the flea market. What are you gonna do? You know, it's bargains all day, all night. It's hot. I'm schwitzing. I'm in my moo-moo. You know, I'm moo-moo. I'm schwitzing. We're at the flea market. What?
Let's go see what else we could find here at the Long Beach Flea Market.
There's so many things that I'm overwhelmed right now, and I just saw in the corner peripheral of my eye a disco ball piece. It's a hamper, a disco hamper. We're two people who love music. We make music. We're called UltraViolet Sound. Our album comes out April 12th.
That's it for webisode 2. I hope you weren't too bored.
Check out all of our videos at youtube.com/ultravioletsound1.